Desert locusts are known as the world's most destructive migratory pest. A single swarm can travel up to 150 kilometers per day, have 80 million locusts and eat the same amount of food per day as 35,000 people. The pest is impacting on mid to long term on economy, quality of life and environmental protection. Climate change is amplifying the occurrence of such pests, and especially the increase of extreme events such as cyclones, is generating ideal conditions for the locust breeding. An early warning model has been developed in order to monitor suitable ecosystem for locust to breed. The favorable breeding ground for desert locust is predicting 7 days in advance by checking environmental conditions of the previous 50 days. The environmental variables used for the forecast are soil water content, precipitation, and temperature from ERA5 land, Copernicus climate, and vegetation from NDVI from MODIS. Locust information is taken from a presence-only dataset provided by FAO's Locust Watch. For each data source, a user selects the area of interest in the advanced settings and the time duration to fit the needs. The next step to use the data sources is to add it in a specific workflow and add functionalities through the workflow editor. When the workflow editor is completed, the user selects to start and then publish the workflow. To visualize the results of the workflow, the user should go to the Map Visualization tab and select the dataset to visualize. The data results of a workflow can be also easily visualized as charts of figures.